Welcome to Best RV channel. Now I'm Mario from Best RV down in Trolla, California. Today I'm presenting another bowling alley or open floor plan. It's a toy hauler manufactured by Keystone. It's the Raptor 310 fifth wheel. The beauty about the 310 is a 30 foot overall length, still around 33. It has a 19.9 foot cargo area. So the most important things about this unit is they love the bowling alley. It's really open, and you look at it, you take a ball and you throw it. Super open. But the key is you could put multiple things here. So if you have a 4-seaters and it's like 13.6, 14 foot feet, and you have also another quad or dirt box, they will fit in this unit because it's 19.9 from here all the way down to here. So 19.9. So we know the 4-seater will fit here because the distance from here to the wall allow you to put the 4-seater all the way to the front, and then you could put another single-seater, 2-seaters, or you could put a dirt bikes or quad. So this is a perfect unit. Now, I don't like to talk about price because we know. We did the doubt for yourself. You guys folks, you know us. Everybody know us in the state. When we give a price here, we are the lowest price and the best price you're going to find on this unit nationwide. I mean, you shop, show me if somebody will give you the 310 Raptor for the price we're offering on the web. But the features, what you're getting in this unit, that's the most important thing. So when you look at the price and you look at the features you're getting with it, that's what is most important. This unit, as you notice, it has 2 power awning. There's a power awning in the rear, power awning on the side, LED light, patio system. It has the solar system on the roof, come with the generator, 2 AC. It come with the big refrigerators inside. So if the cameraman go inside from this way, and open the door, and before we walk in, let's take a picture for the 440i. What does it mean 440i? Coming in. The 440i, what does that mean is you have quantity 2 of 220 watt solar panel. So there's 2 solar panel on the roof, and they are 220 watt solar panel on the roof. As well come with the 2000 watt inverters. So when you say 440i, it's mean it has the inverter and 2 solar panel. As well, it has the 5000 watt generators where you can run the 2 ACs and everything with no problem. And additional, this benefit it has a 12 volt TV. So if you could see here, I'm watching the TV off the solar. So the sun feed the solar feed the battery, and I'm getting running the TVs and certain other plugs. This particular unit also has the bigger refrigerator. So you could see it has the big door for fridge and the big door for freezers. Also, it's a 19.9 to this side with the 5000 D ring. And if you count the D ring, there's 2, 4, and 3. That's 7, and 3, 10, and 3, 13 tied down. So there's no issue to tie your toys. The 4-seaters, 2-seaters, quad, dirt bike. As well, if you notice other brand, they start putting manual bed in the top and 2 sofa at the bottom. The beauty about this Raptor has electric upper bunk with 2 sofa benches with a cup. And those 2 sofa benches, they flatten and become a big bed. So in reality, this unit sleep 6. 2 in the upper bunk, 2 in the lower bunk, and 2 in the front. This unit also provided with swivel rocker reclines, not just a swivel rocker, because other brand, they give you just a swivel rocker. So this unit here, if you look at it, sorry for that, they swivel and they recline and they swivel. So that's another thing. 2 swivel recliners, chair. And the beauty is it's all windows. You look how many windows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 windows in this cargo area. 2 ACs, 1 in the living area, 1 in the bedroom. Extension counter space. So if the lady, she said, not enough kitchen, voila. A nice prepping area in the left side of the stove, on the right of the stove, country sink with a 2 cutting board. Look how deep it is. Rice faucet. A counter space for appliances. A lot of closets, a lot of storage. Beautiful microwave. Tinsel doors when they're deep. More storage. Fuse box. And it comes with a place with a trash can. Even. And then you have all this storage. And again, no worry about the 4-seater because they sit high. So you could get your 4-seaters all the way to the front. More storage, no question asked. Crown molding on the cabinet, that's a big deal. And then going over here's nice step to get in. Solid door. Solid queen bed, 60 by 80. A second AC in the cargo area, in the bedroom. Place for a second TV in the bedroom. There's support. Big closet, hanging closet. Shirt closets. And then more prep area and all of that. There's a plug on the side, inverter prep, storage as well, full storage. This is the step to go from the patio outside, and this is the eating table. It go between the dinette in the rear, and this is the ladder to go on the upper bunk. And this is your power cord. So all of it we stored here for you. Walk into the bathroom. Look how beautiful, nice mirrors with LED light underneath it, sink, and then easy to get in the shower. One-piece shower, solid, no seams, distance, elbow, porcelain toilet, then in closets. Now let me take you to the outside and show you all the features of outside. So walking away from this toy hauler, you're gonna see it come, as we said, is a 2 power awning. There's a big power awning here with LED light. The awning in the back, you could see the solar, one in this side, one the other side. So total 440 amp solars. 6-point hydraulic leveling jack. Please focus on that. Hydraulic, not electric. More stronger. And then going back here, look how clean it is. Love it. 310 Raptor. Floodlight, backup camera prep way in the top where the word keystone. Come with a side ladder to go on the top. Fuel stations right there. And then endless hot water heater right there. One docking stations, everything is covered. Your tank's bulb is covered and heated. The pass-through storage with a transfer switch. Controller for the auto leveling. And locations for 7-gallon tank on this side, 7-gallon on the other side. This is where your battery go. And then this is the 5,500 watt generators come with the unit where you could run everything. So I don't know what to say. All I could say, just get in your truck and come get it because I got only one at that price. Shop, shop, shop. Do the doubt for yourself. Put me the test. Check. North, south, east, west. When it comes to the 310 Raptor with a 19.9 foot garage, no one could touch our price. Come in and grab it before it's gone. We have one on that unit.